Alright, so this is the continuation of our example number 5 for the virtual work method. Ang hinahanap naman natin dito ay slope at point C. So, kinuha na natin kanina yung dy and ay as well as the moment equation ng ating real beam, and yung conversion nito ay na-explain ko na rin kanina. Kaya, ngayon, proceed na tayo agad sa paggawa ng virtual beam para sa ating slope. So, since slope at C, maglalagay tayo ng 1 kilonewton moment at point C. Alright? So, since clockwise positive ang ating MAB and MBC, ang iikot dito ay yung A and yung D. Kailangan pala natin kunin yung reaction at our support. So, moment at A equals 0, clockwise positive, meron tayong 1 from C, and then ang ating dy rotate counterclockwise, dy 20 equals 0. Therefore, ang ating dy is equal to 1 over 20, and since kailangan ang ating vertical forces ay mag-equal to 0, ang ating dy na yung positive 1 over 20, tapos kailangan yung ay ay negative 1 over 20. Meaning yung ating ay is downward 1 over 20 while dy is upward 1 over 20. Alright. So, moment at AB, dito yung cut. Ang ating 1 over 20 ay magiging counterclockwise, kaya ito ay negative 1 over 20 times distance x, as well as MBC 1 over 20 times distance x. Sa ating namang MCT, this is counterclockwise positive. Ito ay equal sa, ito ay magta-travel counterclockwise, kaya ito ay positive 1 over 20x. So, yun lang naman yung pinagkaiba. Copy. Paste natin dito. And then, okay. Ngayon, mag-i-integral tayo. So, ang ating slope at C is equal to integral of 175x times negative 1 over 20x dx over EI 0 to 5 plus, this is 5 to 15, 175x minus 200 x minus 5, ito yun, times negative 1 over 20 times x dx over 2ei. Again, bakit 2 to? It's because twice ang ating inertia sa beam na B to C. Sa part ng beam na from point B to C. Okay, and then the next one, integral, this is 0 to 5, yung MBC natin is CD pala, MCD is 125x times positive 1 over 20x over EI dx. Okay, once na in-input natin yan sa calculator, ang ating makuhang slope at point C is negative 23,125 over 12 EI, and meron nga tayong given na E equal 250,000 MPa and I na 600 times 10 raised to 6 millimeter raised to 4. Kailangan natin gawin dito ay need natin i-multiply ito ng 1,000 para maging kilonewton per meter squared, at ito ay 1 over 1,000 raised to 4 para maging meter raised to 4. So, ba't kailangan natin mukha yung meter? Kasi ito ay kilonewton meter cube. So, pag nag-cancel tayo dyan, ang final na makukuha natin is meters, yung unit. So, ang magiging itsura ng ating equation, deflection at C is equal to negative 23,125 over 12 times 250,000 times 1,000 times 600 times 10 raised to 6. Tapos, multiply pa natin ito ng 1 over 1,000 raised to 4. Ang gagawin natin sa 1,000 raised to 4, lalagay natin siya dito. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Magiging times 1,000 raised to 4. And since merong 1,000 dito sa baba, cancel na natin to. Then, gawin na natin itong 3. So, move na lang natin ito. Ayan ang magiging itsura para mas madali. So, slope at point C is equal to negative 37 over 2880 rad, or slope at C is equal to 0.0128 rad.